Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the app you're trying to install is not a Microsoft verified app. So if you're encountering this issue when attempting to install applications onto your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select Apps. So go ahead and select the Apps button. And then over on the right side, you want to select where it says Advanced App Settings. Versus choose where to get apps. Click on the drop down here. And you want to select Anywhere. Or you can select the other two options here, Anywhere, but let me know if there's a comparable app from the Microsoft Store. You can also select Anywhere, but warn me before installing an app that's not from the Microsoft Store. And again, you can select any of these options except for the Microsoft Store only, which is recommended because that's where you're only going to be allowed to install apps from the Microsoft Store. So you'd want to select one of the other three options here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.